Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we will solve this problem by applying a simple trick. Now, whenever we have to add the consecutive numbers and the total numbers are 10, like here from 27 up to 36, 27 plus 28 plus 29 plus 30 plus 31 plus 32 plus 33 plus 34 plus 35 plus 36, the total numbers are 10. So in that case, but the numbers should be consecutive. So in that case, what we will do, we will pick the first number. Like here the first number is 27, so 27 plus 4, that will be 31, and we will place 5 at the end. So 315 is the answer of that. Now even if you are adding all these numbers individually, you can check the answer will come 315. Here we have the same problem. We have the 10 numbers, consecutive numbers from 415 up to 424. So these numbers are 10 and the numbers are consecutive without a gap. So in the same way, we will pick the first number 415 plus 4. 415 plus 4, that will be 419. So 5 at the end. So 4195 is the answer of that. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.